Is more an honour to have Seanach an ihe riv Cas Curcha Shaffajak Shaw and Yedin Liamog. So it's a big honour for me to speak here tonight, the night before the court case, the ridiculous court case against Liamog, who is speaking out against the murder of entire bloodlines in Palestine. And that is more controversial and more offensive to the British government than the actual blood on the ground in Palestine.
I lost my father and my brother recently. It's not just my father. He was everything for me. He was my friend and also my brother Yusuf. It's not just my brother. I love him so much. Also, I love my father. That's why I'm here to speak about them. I want to tell you something important. Everyone can help. Everyone can speaking about Palestine. Everyone can use their accounts to speak about Palestine. That at least we can do. Keep speaking. When I came to Belfast, I feel this ground love me. I also love Belfast. Free, free Palestine!
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 These areas in West Belfast are well used in the British government demonising us, and we will never accept it. This community will always stand against imperialism. Is spraggy a Liamog Dunia, go hurry real or other shapes to come away. August Koji Kneecap then hung for a good real I done a teeny August Ogginga, Norman shit cast Percha and Yidden Realtis in the Brocklin. August Hope she and King Statch doing more come away. When he shed Yidden and Realtis in the Brocklin race. Liamog is an inspiration to us, especially because he worked in our youth club. And Kneecap helped us try and get a much needed new building for our young people. And when they won a court case against the British government, when they gave our youth club the King's Dash, they will win against the British government again. Shafton West from Mulcara, August Station and Polishing. We start with Mulcara and Free Palestine, around Milan Island.
It's no honour being Shafton, Charlotte, Big Shawley, and your picture show. We're Victor, Alarian, Drew Farchiak, and Mitchell from Palestine, August Lily Hope. As a youth worker from Dornmore, this isn't just another event for me. Liam was my friend, and we grew up together. We attended school down the street and once got to give the college to first year. We ran about in these streets together, and I had a wee laugh with his mum and daddy about it earlier on, but we're not getting into it. And when we were 15, we started our journey as youth workers together in Glenmore at the top of the rock. Liam Oak's love for language and community and for giving positive spaces to young people was evident even back then, 12 years ago, long before Kneecap. This mural is more than a print on a wall. It's a statement from our community. It is an act of resistance in itself. It says we will not stand by silently as the Israeli forces commit a genocide against the Palestinian people. It says we will not stand by as the British state tries to label a West Belfast man as a terrorist. It says we will always defend our own, and that when one of us is under attack, all of us are under attack. Tomorrow Liam faces Westminster courts, but tonight he is welcomed home by his own community, a community full of love, solidarity and strength. We're sending a clear message. That message is that we stand with Palestine, we stand with Liam and we stand together. Go meet him out of the station in Palestine.